Very nice.
Do you know how many ING countries are going to participate?
That's a very dangerous question.
Hey, Steven.
Hey, Melinda.
Welcome to first quarter.
Thank you.
Although it's past, but now we're going to look back. Anyway, before we get into the figures, we all see what's happening in the world these days. I mean, how do you deal with that? Is it keeping you awake?
Yeah, there's quite a lot happening. Of course, everybody's mind is on the war in the Middle East. First and foremost because of the big human impact, which is tragic, and also because it impacts economies both directly and indirectly. The conflict weighs a lot on confidence, so on investment and on trade. It also increases volatility, and therefore all these things have an impact on households and businesses. And what we need to do, what the most important thing that we do, is to stay close to our customers and our clients to help them navigate through it by helping them taking smart decisions and manage their risks.
Okay, well, now looking at our first quarter results, what are some of the highlights?
Yeah, there were quite a few. We had a very solid quarter. We grew the number of customers who chose ING as their bank. There's also more customers that do more investments through ING. We grew our assets under management with double digit, which is very good. But also customers do more transactions with ING. And all these things help to get more fees for ING, which is important because we want to diversify our income, become less dependent on interest rates. So that is a good start. Secondly, also on deposits and lending we grew, both grew. In lending we had more customers buying homes with mortgages from ING, so we helped them there. We expanded our business banking offering into Italy. We started in the first quarter, and also helped more customers with investing in the SME space, so help them with investments. And we did more transactions in wholesale banking, particularly in lending, but there was also more activity in financial markets compared to the last quarter.
That's a lot.
It's a lot.
What are you going to be focusing on for the rest of the year?
Well, we focus on what we always focus on, which is help customers in their daily lives, bringing the right products at the right time in the right way to them, which means being more impactful and more relevant, not only in uncertain times, but also when they have opportunities. In the end, we will strive to become the best European bank.
There's a lot of talk about Europe's position in the world these days. What do you think about that?
Well, Europe is a great place to live and to work, but Europe can also make much more impact from an economic point of view and having more influence in the world. It also means that a number of things need to change. For example, there's trillions of savings that are unused, and we could use them in the economy to make Europe more competitive. Now, ING is a leading European bank. We can have a role to play there, and we take this very seriously.
So Europe, World Cup, it's going to start in exactly 6 weeks from today.
Very nice.
Do you know how many ING countries are going to participate?
I hope a lot.
Yeah.
It's about 20, I guess.
18 countries that ING is active in. And who are you rooting for, Steven?
Yeah, that is a dangerous question. With being present in so many countries, but look, we sponsor Belgium and the Netherlands, so I could say those two, but yeah, in the end I'm Dutch, so I do
Yeah, you're Dutch, and I have a little present for you to support the Netherlands. Are you big on face painting?
No, but I'll wear it in 6 weeks' time. Thanks
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.